Yon. What's up mga kalaro? Welcome to another vlog na naman. And today, meron tayong bagong game, no? Jujutsu Kaisen, Curse of Clash ba yan? So, ang gagawin natin dito is ililipat natin to sa ating Steam Deck, no? So, ang gagawin natin is punta lang tayo sa properties kung saan naka-install to. Hanapin natin yung folder. Sa akin nandito sa games, dito sa ito sa disk D, nakalagay sa local D ng aking computer, no, ang aking imbakan ng mga games. So kakopy natin yung folder na yan papunta sa ating USB, no. Copy lang natin siya. So punta tayo sa ating USB. Ito yung ating USB, no, na pagkokopyahan. Tapos ipipaste natin dito, no. Kailang pasensya na, medyo naglalag yung PC ko. Bakit kaya? Paste natin dito, no. So yan, antay lang natin siya mag-copy mag-paste pala doon sa ating USB. Medyo i-jump na natin tong video. Yan, so yan, tapos na. Gagawin natin is close na natin to, syempre, no. So yan, bali safely remove lang natin yung USB natin, no. Lagi natin gagawin to para hindi nagko-corrupt yung mga USB or SD card natin, no. Yan. So yan, ngayon bunutin na natin tong ating USB na may SD card. Yan. Yan, dito ko nga pala kinakopy yung mga games ko sa PC papunta dito sa aking Steam Deck, no. Para medyo hassle kasi pag ito ang pinakamadali kong ginagawa pag naglilipat ako ng game sa PC sa Steam Deck mula sa PC. So yan, nandito na tayo sa ating Steam Deck, no. Bali yan, mount natin yung USB na yon na sinaksak natin. Nandun yung game, no. Mount natin. Ito lang. Yan. So yan yung Jujutsu Kaisen, no, Curse Clash. Copy lang natin yan, no. Sabay punta tayo sa pinaka SD card ng aking Steam Deck. Ito yung aking SD card 1TB na nakasaksak dito sa ating Steam Deck. So open file folder. Dito paste lang natin dito sa blanco. Ayan, blankong space 1 folder. Ayan. So antay lang uli natin na matapos, no. So yun guys, natapos na yung pag-copy. Punta na tayo dito sa ating library, no. Bali, hanapin natin add a game, add non-Steam game, browse. Tapos punta tayo doon sa ating SD card na nandito sa ating Steam Deck. Ito, hanapin natin Jujutsu Kaisen. Hanapin natin yung may EXE sa dulo. Ayan, o, parang ganito, sample lang yan. Ayan, Jujutsu Kaisen dito sa akin folder. Ayan, binaries Win64. Ayan na, Jujutsu Kaisen may EXE palagi. Add selected. Ayan. Tapos hanapin natin dito sa gilid kung saan siya napunta, no. Saan na ba? Yun, ito. Ayan. Tapos properties, no, properties. Tapos dito sa launch option, importante to, may ilalagay lang tayong codes, no. Sa akin paste ko na lang, pwede yung i-type, no, steam_compat_data_equals, pwede yan i-type, pwedeng i-paste din. So punta naman tayo dito sa ating SD card, no. Punta tayo sa loob ng ating SD card, open with file manager. Yan, dito sa may pinakataas niya, sa may tuktok, Copy natin lahat yan. Ito kasi yung pinaka-target. Kailangan niya makita yung pinaka-target na path kung nasan yung folder ng game. Yan. Close natin to. Paste natin dito. So yung susunod, bali kailangan natin ng keyboard. Mag-space lang tayo ng isa. Yan. Close na natin. Sabay lalagay. Pwedeng i-type, pwede rin i-paste to. %, %. Yun lang. Yan. So okay na, no? Punta na tayo compatibility. Force, check natin to. GE Proton experimental muna, no? Pag hindi gumana sa experimental, mag-try lang kayo ng ibang version ng Proton. So i-try na natin, no? Try muna natin. Sana gumana. Pero pag hindi, bahala siya. So yun guys, gumana nga siya, no? Ang bilis, galing. So yan. So dahil yan, gumagana siya, baka yan, gumagana na siya, okay na. So dahil gumagana siya, mag-exit muna tayo, magpupunta tayo doon sa ating gaming mode. Para doon natin naman siya kalikutin at lagyan ng mga cover yung ating game, no? So i-exit muna natin dito.
Nothing wrong with taking a good look. Is that enough admiring for today?
If only I hadn't eaten it. You're a strong kid, so try to help others. Sorry for the wait, Eugene. Huh? It's just... going to teach me? I'm going to teach you all flat. Let's get on with your yeah. First. Good. Very good. Last on the first strike. Not too shabby. Good. Very good. Not too shabby. You move well. Next. Look out in front. Good. Very good. To the head. Not too shabby. Blast away. Good. Very good. Take this. shabby. Look out in front. Good. Very good. There. Not too my legs. You're already head and shoulders. I already know. Blast away. Good. Very good. That punch had splash. Look out in front. Blast away. Take this. Blast away. Now I'll see you again. Not too shabby. Can't bring it out yet. Blast away. My time is limited. Blast away. My time is limited, you know? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Now it's my turn. See if you can hit. Get ready to take this. My time is limited, you know? Good. Take this. Very good. Can you feel infinity? You can take this. Good. Very good. Oh, pretty tough. I guess you're better. Keep up with me. Get ready to fly. Blast away. My time is limited, you know? Here we go again. The shot. Blast away. My time is limited, you know? Now I'm feeling it. You want to win? My time is limited, you know? Time to wrap this up. There! There go my legs. Blast away! Good. My time is you want to win? My time is limited, you know? Keep up with me. Now it's done. Blast away! Any idea what this is? My time is limited. Remember how we did it. Piece of cake. Easy. Against that special grade, I've got it to work somehow. Because it requires negative emotion. All students are trained. And I've got some